We've come to the close of another school year, and it's a perfect time to make sure that your data is backed up, whether you are moving districts or not. This website, takeout.google.com, makes it very simple for you to transfer your data to another Google account. You just come here and it's all of your things in Google. I'm going to click deselect all. I'm going to go on down to my Google Drive, click the little check mark, scroll down to the bottom of the page, and click next step. From here, you can decide how you want this stuff sent to you. I'm going to go with the default send a download link via email. We're just going to export it once. Zip file is fine. And how big of files do you want each one to be? 2 gigabytes. I'm just going to leave everything as is. That way it's super simple. You get to this screen, just click create export and practice your patience. I did get a little email message that I made the request for this data, so that's nice. In case somebody hacks your account and tries to get all of your data, you will be alerted of that. I'm going to continue practicing patience. Or not. I'm not feeling very patient because I've got the record button going. So this was my data that I downloaded last year. This is exactly how it's going to look, except it's going to be an updated copy of everything that I put into my Google Drive last year and all the previous years, so on and so forth. So this is what it looks like. You get all these individual files that were 2 gigabytes in size. You can download each one of them, put them on a flash drive, send them to another email address. This is the easiest way that I know of to transfer all the stuff in your Google Drive from one account to another.
All right, so there is your spring knit cleaning summer to-do list.
Thingamabob. Quick tip video for this week.
Hope y'all are doing well. As always, happy ed teching.